Lila, what are you doing?
I cleaned up the silverware.
You're cleaning up the silverware?
Yes, the silverware.
Okay, where does that one go? Very good. You're doing a really good job. Excellent, honey. Can you sing a song while you're doing it?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Above our world so high, like a flame in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Yay! Couple more. All done? Is it all correct? Did you do a good job?
Yeah.
Okay. Good job.